Guys, are you planning to buy a property with your partner or settle down soon? Wait lang, alam niyo ba kung kanino mapupunta ang land title kung sakali? Let's break down with property regime in marriage. First, Absolute Community of Property or ACP. Our default system if walang prenup. Basically, a shared ecosystem. If you bought a condo before marriage, pagpasok niyo sa simbahan, automatic co-owner na si partner. Everything combines in one big basket except inheritance. Next, Conjugal Partnership of Gains or CPG. Dito, may boundaries. Real estate bought before marriage is strictly yours. Pero any rental income it earns or properties bought while married, ayun ang conjugal. What's mine before is mine, but our future assets are ours. Lastly, complete separation of property. Main character, energy. What's mine is mine, what's yours is yours. You need a prenup for this. Solo mo ang titles, perfect para sa mga real estate investors. So before signing any deed of sale, make sure align kayo. Like, follow, and share for more real estate tips.